My name is Brennan and I'm a technical marketing engineer for Meraki switches. Today, I'm excited to show you our newest switches, the MS130, which will let you power more possibilities with more bandwidth, more flexibility, and less overhead. The MS130 has 10 different models, including our popular compact options and 19-inch rack mount versions. And with options for 10 gig SFP+ uplinks, the MS130 also brings 2.5 gigabit per second multi-gigabit Ethernet to the access layer Meraki switch lineup for the first time. Let's take a look at the MS130-12X model. X is how you know that this is a multi-gig and SFP+ option, which means 10 gigabit uplinks. We'll take a look. Here's the switch and our power supply. The 12-port design in a compact form factor. This is a right-size option in the family, solving the problem of 8 ports, not quite being enough, but the next logical option being a full-size 19-inch 24 ports. We've got 8 1 gigabit ports here, but 4 2.5 gigabit per second multi-gig ports. MGig is ideal for powering Wi-Fi 6 access points with PoE+, but boosting the existing Ethernet cable speeds from 1 gig up to 2.5 gigabit per second. Translates to lower overall investment and deployment effort versus overhauling those cables. We're also getting 2 10 gigabit per second SFP+ ports and a whopping 240 watts of PoE+. And as always, in the compact form factor, we've got the great integrated wall mount bracket. This is a great option with incredibly versatile uses, including retail, among others. Click the link below to learn more about the MS130 family.